V coming out with another song and music video to Rainy Days. I'm excited to really watch this one and listen to this one because I really enjoyed Love Me Again. Just because that's just more my music taste. Let's play it. V got me feeling some type of way. That's all I'm saying. He, you know, visuals. He got me struck with emotions. But you know. Loving the aesthetics already. Just the beginning, like the first 15 seconds. Come on. Loving that shit. At first I thought someone was texting me a little bit. My fault. Damn. Good looking dude. My fault. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. Is he on his like simp boy hours or what? Find a way right back to you. Damn, does he miss that person or what?
Staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 만나. Time with you was so amazing.
Hold on. So it's like he's talking about being on his own right now, waiting for a call. Oh yeah, we are on simp hours. We're on simp hours with V. Staying at home and everything. I like that dog. He's reminiscing.
I'm thinking about what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about what to say. Wish I knew how to
Damn. Hold up, I love that shot of V where he's laying on his arm a little bit. How you look that good? Damn. Ooh. Oh my god, the transition. Sorry. I gotta go back to that. I have to go back to that. I feel like a lot of people probably pointed that out, but that was sick. Ooh. Yo, who we smiling at? Oh shit. Hold up. He was tearing up here. This is a really good shot. God damn.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start.
Maybe the song's about a breakup. That's what I'm getting from this.
Yeah, I can feel your touch.
And he's missing that person.
그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
I mean, it's in the chorus. He's a good looking dude, man. My fault. Damn. Oh shit. He's on the simpy hours. He's got me feeling some type of way, like with the other song, this song. I personally like the other song much more, just because, again, the music taste. My music taste is up more that alley, but I will probably find myself having this on repeat too, because you know, what if I go through a heartbreak, or what if I go through what he's going through, or what he's trying to convey through the music video and in the song, man. This is one of those songs that you could really resonate with if you're going through that same emotion or same feelings. And I'm really loving how both this song and the other song you can really relate to in more of a just surface level sense. I like how with this music video, it's not over the top, it's not loud. I found myself actually being immersed, maybe because of the song, and as well as just like his demeanor throughout the video, the way that he's acting. God damn it, V. He got me simping. Those two songs, he got me simping. You know, if y'all love V, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.